Welcome to Upgrade. Let's take a look at some of the products of CES 2025. Ice cream machines. These are the flavors that go in the ice cream machine, or what are these for?
Yes, I mean we have much more than that. We just are bare bones. We ran out of so much. We've been way too popular at CES. But we have 4 flavors of ice cream plus a non-dairy ice cream, 2 boozy ice creams, a frozen latte, 2 protein shakes, and a 100% smoothie.
Question: how long does it take to make the ice cream after you pour
2
in?
to 3 minutes.
2 to 3 minutes. How many servings does it have?
6 servings, so it ends up being about 6 ounces or 6 to 9 ounces.
6 to 9 ounces. That's good.
Yeah, this is going to be about 9 ounces coming out.
So what is this right now? Making a shake or an actual ice cream?
So this is a frozen latte. This is like our version of a frappuccino called a Snap Machine.
Snappuccino.
So fresh and something. Perfect. And then you just take this out. There's no full contact surface. So take a look down the barrel inside the machine.
Perfect shake for the can.